One of the worst things you can do to a car is run it on old neglected oil, and you wouldn't like it if your car did it to you, so keep it fresh and clean. At the same time, one of the easiest and most cost-effective things you can do to your car is change the oil. There's really no good excuse for running on dirty oil. Then crawl up under the car and locate the oil filter and the drain plug. And get something to catch the oil and go ahead and loosen up this drain plug. This can be a little bit messy, so get ready to get your hand out of the way. Hey, if you don't have an oil filter wrench, borrow one from Uncle Harry. He's got like 15 of them. Or just buy one yourself so you can do an oil change anytime you want. You can do another one next week, and your car will love you for it. On this Lincoln, this filter has to come out through this side of the idler arm. So we're going to have to turn the wheel a little bit to the right to get it out of there. Don't turn the car on. You don't need power steering. Just muscle it over to the right as if you're making a right-hand turn, and the filter will come right out of there. If your filter hangs straight up and down, go ahead and fill your filter up with fresh brand new oil and put a little bit of oil around the rubber seal at the top. On this Lincoln, it goes on kind of sideways, so I'm just going to fill mine halfway so I don't get a face full of oil. And we'll just go ahead and turn the key a couple times without starting the car to get some fresh oil in there. And use the filter wrench to make sure that filter is tight. Now put the drain plug back in and go ahead and tighten that up. Now go ahead and put 3 or 4 quarts of oil in and keep an eye on your oil level. And then let the oil settle down for a couple of minutes to get to the bottom of the oil pan. And just be very careful not to overfill it, because that's what blows seals inside your engine. You want it in that crosshair, or read the instructions on your dipstick.